next we have Dwayne, and Dwayne is playing a tape of Tina, and she is clapping at Donna because she's saying that Donna came out for her as well, and she's just addressing the issue that is there. And she's also speaking about Kris. So guys, you're gonna have to go and catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday to you all. And I wish you joy and prosperity throughout this year and everything that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, have yourselves a wonderful and safe day out there.
Oh God, Mr. Mixup, fucking man. Oh God, we love Mixup, we love Mixup. And then when you mix up that, be sure to find me this up in the comments. Oh God. I'm telling you, I'm glad I'm glad I'm not with them because I feel like I'm at peace. We can go on myself now. I don't give a shit because when people that come, no, I don't miss this. I'm having fun, and this is fun. This is so fun. I'm telling you, Mixup is fun. Mixup is. I'm done now. I'm done. Here, chill.
Brother. Like a blood creep music, but like it's a music. Every time my brother over there snort up. Why don't you talk about that?
No, sir. Christ. I didn't tell me if you tell you.
But you don't realize we don't like man. Big
man?
Sunday. You're there on your live. I tell people for come take man. You know, it's like your skin, your crotches there on fire. You'll just.
No, Tina Chin. Nigerians love to say, their opwe, it's scratching them. God. Opwe is for pussy. Them opwe scratch them. When they say that scratch them, it means they want sachets for getting them opwe. Or they will say, them toto, I scratch them. I chew my tell them, I said and say. So I'm gonna say, for them total scratch them. So that's little love man's wood. I keep on telling you, when Donna put in those dot stuff, the holy stuff them, Donna come up to catch one man, Donna come up to catch one man. Donna come out to catch one man. Wanna stay there, I'm telling you. But I'm kind of contemplating how does that man live one of that foot? I'm just saying. How does my man live one of that how does the man manage to lift one of that foot? How? Just asking. Do you guys remember one time Donna was in her house, right? And when Donna was on the lights, Donna was demonstrating oil take sachets. Oh, remember? Oh God, that damn Donna is a damn sample. I swear to God. Oh shit, done. Who could have predicted? I would have turned away from you wholeheartedly. I say, can't look at my face. Not glad. This is nonsense. Like shit. I didn't know. No, sir.
Snotty. Talk about that with the nasty self. And them nastiness there on yam. And I come for people, proper business, what I'm supposed to do by law for make sure the health inspectors come in. And my proper business you don't want to come for. But you know I am shit. You know I am nose knot. You know I am bugu. You know I am mat.
Our target, inshallah, is to help
Lord,
1,000 orphans
odds.
over the next few.
Talk about that. And my proper business you don't want to come for. But you know I am shit.
Lord
you know I am nose knot. You know I am bugu. You know I am matter.
Lord God.
Talk about that.
My God, TT.
You know I am skill cells.
Oh God.
Because such a scratch with our gloves and such a go in the batter.
Oh God. Oh God.
You're just like your brother. That's why you attract them mad people. They are run round all over upon the internet are free good people. Because you're mad and people attract who they are. Right? Look how you attract the one, the UK one, the one who call himself Baker. We always ask your brother. Look how you attract him. There's a reason why you attract him, you know. Because the two are the same way. Love live. Love compound live and show things and show this and tell. Same thing. The one I stay the same way. But me not in a competition with our Rose. Me not in a competition with no clothes. When me hear that, my bust out a laughter rotted. I say, but that woman is delusional. Me never yet see her in her proper dress. She feel a Frosty the Snowman in the white sitting where she have the other day. No look a groove, no look a shape. It's like you take a blood cleat frock, a white frock, and just throw it over a big cylinder. No look a shape, no look a deep, no look a curve, no look a nothing. And you come out here as style people. I mean, I am not for the body shaming, guys. Don't get me wrong, yeah? Because everybody built differently. But this woman here take to her platform and want to point out people flaws. True. So when people like Sheila point out people flaws, you have to turn it back on her and say, listen to me. You're busy there pointing out people flaws when you yourself is no better. What you talking about?
That part, imagine.
You look like Frosty the Snowman with a dirty wig by your head. You could even afford a good proper MUA. And a good proper makeup artist couldn't come beat out your face. Because you probably didn't have the $150 for pay a makeup artist for come beat out your face. You look for freeness. No. Look at Marcia face well beat out last night.
Well beat, well.
All bling over her eyes.
Period.
I was shocked when I see Marcia face. I was like, wow. I was blown away. Marcia face did look good.
True.
I wish you could have do she should have on the glasses or whatever. I wish you could have do a close-up of Marcia's face.
Marcia looked amazing. It's the truth. She did.
If you want to be petty, let's go down that petty road. Let's go. Because after we go on this petty road, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put on my business suit and go back to business.
That is the tension.
Let's go down that petty road.
That is it.
Because you're too disgusted. You need to understand yourself as a woman who is half a century. Right? True. Certain things you should have done in a life already, but no.
When you hear that or that chewing gum, that says to me a shower. That to me says a kuna a show. Night walker. How much you gonna charge? How much you gonna pay? I'm telling you. I swear to God.
Now you're half a century. After we got on this petty road, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put on my business suit and go back to business. Let's go down that petty road.
Mira, Chevy Ridge. Oh, God, Chevy, welcome. Oh, Chevy, we girl, we miss you like cook food. Oh, God, Chef. Me, I call up my phone. I said, Chef, don't leave. Mr. Chef, any oil leave again, I go black heavy. I go black your backside everywhere. Don't leave again. On a come home. On a boy is back. And he can't step away again. Can never. Not this time. Once bitten, twice shy. It is never too late for Chavrine. Me get Marian now. Me get Marian. You understand? Me get Marian. And Marian can't go away again. It has to stay so with me. Understand? So come home. When I want to come home, wow, the damn self. And that's it. And when I focus on no locus, one bex, take it to the Lord in prayer. Even better, draw we backside, go a court. Start instructing lawyers. Hello, I want to do that one day. So we backside, so we. We are wait, so we. If you're bad, if you name Donna go, so we. Choo. Make us see we're going. Choo. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna broadcast it. You know, see what we can get big, what we can get big. Donna so we. We'll bring our quotas, and we're gonna quotas. We have somebody. We ask the judge to seek permission to stream with live streams to our different people. Who can I get bigger for that backside? We can, because trust me, everybody got tune in. Everybody, they must tune in. Because they want to know. Because people love other business and love mix up. And this will be a good story. What are we going to cut the whole way? I go roll myself in my wheelchair. Roll. Quote where I go. Yes. Donna, I'm serious. Donna, I'm serious. Work on it, my girl. Work on it. Simple. Let's continue.
Because you're too disgusting. You need to understand yourself as a woman who is half a century. Right? Certain things you should have done doing a life already. But no. Now you're in your half a century years. You experience them things that you want to come look down upon people with your insensitive self. I come and talk about, oh, my bills are paid. And this, who asked you? Who fucking asked you if your bills are paid or not? Nobody asked you. You're definitely not acting like somebody who's coming from humble beginnings, because if you were, you wouldn't be behaving so atrocious on the app.
Very atrocious.
I act like say, oh, God alone give you blessings.
Insipid.
You understand me?
Insipid.
Be a competition.
Patsy,
Thank you, Maggie. Thank you.
I'm if you tell you, Patsy.
Thank you. Support a woman, man. You need to stop it. Donna go. You need to stop all the hate, and you need to stop provoking people. Let people like me or make people like Marcia run our business. And you mash up Marcia sheet business. You.
So true.
You, Donna. You're a hater. And you try to flip it to make it look like say people are hate upon you and you are the victim. You're a hater. And you're a wicked woman.
Fact.
And I say that from the bottom of my belly. You're evil. And you're wicked.
Agreed. I agree. I really agree.
And you knock out bread out of the woman's mouth and damage the woman sheet business. You.
I mean, not care. Me agree. Donna is wicked. Donna is really wicked.
You. And you don't like to see other woman earn. If them not itch up under your backside, you don't want to see them earn.
Do you guys realize this is actually factual? If people are not sucking up to Donna, they do their best to bring those people down. Wanna see it? Wanna see it? I don't know, but I see it. Look who Donna promotes. People who sucks up to her. Rose, Dimes. I'm sorry, Dimes. I haven't put your name on this, but I know you're not problematic. But she promotes you because all of you are sucking up to her. Anyone who's not sucking up to her, she goes hard at them, and if she don't, she sends her confederates at them to tear them down. Look, pa Anna. Anna came out here one time, and Anna said, "Donna, come style Anna. Something to do with Nakilit." And Anna come on and Anna responded, even if it was that the decibel was a little bit high. Donna, Anna did that. And after that, Anna life turned upside down. After that, Anna life turned upside down. I swear to you. Marcia, same thing. Tina Chin, same thing. Gracie, same thing. Me, same thing. It's only these days them start the big foot I look a break. These days them start the big foot I look a break. Lorian, same thing. Michelle Bradshaw, same thing. Because these people don't choose to suck up to her for any kind of validation and call her out for the nonsense. You see it? So, I'm hoping to understand now. But either way, Donna, whether social media support me not. I don't business. I still have a chat. So whether 5, 4, 7 or DM 11 I can listen, I still have a chat. You understand? Because I have nothing to lose. Nothing at all to lose. But followers and subs. Do I care? No, because subs can't. If they not give me super chat, it can't. Money can't, yes. But if them choose not give me none, I just subtle. You understand? I just come for look a mix up and go about my business. So I can't lose. In fact, I'm a winner because I have nothing to lose. Understand? And that's how I see things. I don't know how you see, but that's how me see it.
Like say you alone for earn with your gluttonous self.
That's how me see it.
Look how quick you run out ready to celebrate. Oh, Marcia, there are only 9 people in there. Why look at you're a nasty piece of work.
Duh, I chose.
When you hire your look bag of friend them, you show them look $100, $200 for you pay them behind the scenes. I thought you said you don't do nothing in a phone and you don't deal with nobody in a phone. So how you know somebody did advanced sneakers the night there? Oh, you know where Freddie are wearing her blue and white. Oh, you know say the woman in a flowers frock. Oh, you know how much outfit Marcia changed that night. Oh, you know how much people in a Marcia party. You know why? Because you sat there in the audience and you watched.
She did. She watched.
And you get up with your bitter self last night and come and try.
Age of Empires. Game of
Donna watch that part. She
It's
did.
here. The mobile version is finally out.
Donna really watch that part. She did.
Body shame the woman. You's a drunk, and this is why you get cussing. She's a very disgusting human being. And nobody must feel sorry for her when she get done.
Not bad
And then
day.
here I know now. Oh, the only thing, you know, Marcia belly hard. And Marcia belly hard and favor giraffe. And this and that. And the only thing them can say about me, hear this now.
Good night, Rockstar.
The only thing them can say about her is, number 1, say her back big. Number 2, say her mouth chaka chaka. Number 3, say her breast big. And she went on and on and on. So don't you think those are faults?
Right.
Donna go, don't you think those things that you say people say about you, those are faults? You listed off roughly 4 or 5 things last night where people can say about you. Those are faults. So what are you saying? Make it make sense. The fact of the matter is that you had nothing better to say than to come on. You never have nothing to say. The life the way you do last night wasn't necessary.
It was not. It was not.
Thank you, Lavana.
I agree.
She and her big pudgy face friend. You know, say a long time them a tear down the woman. Jesus Christ, a long time them a tear down Marcia. Because remember when Marcia used to work with Carol, you saw them disgusting. You saw them big woman disgusting. Y'all remember when Marcia used to bring Carol all about and show Carol. That's why you must let people in, you know. You must put people on to nothing. Don't show them your blueprint. Do not show a lot of people your blueprint, because if you show them your blueprint, you know what they're going to do? They're going to try copy it and then come out and turn against you so that people won't support you. And that's exactly what Carol did. Pudgy face Carol did the same thing to Marcia. Marcia used to bring around Carol and make Carol bring her around and show Carol where to buy the house stuff them and blah blah. You see what Carol do? You see what Carol did? Carol get up off her ass, sell out Marcia to Donna. Sell out Marcia to Donna, you know. And then go sit down with Donna on live. On Donna live, you know. For the two of them sit down and laugh off of Marcia, calling Marcia homeless. Yes, you see this? You see how them play? You see how them play?
Facts.
Marcia sit down and carry her around and show her where to get the things. Marcia show her how to fish.
Facts.
Right? Marcia show her how to fish. Marcia show Carol how to feed herself. And look at what Carol did in the long run. Carol threw Marcia under the bus just to get some hype from Donna Go. And go sit down with Donna Go and slander Marcia publicly on